Hello everyone, my name is Sakshi Suman. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss the basic syllabus of HTML. So let's get started. So HTML or hypertext markup language is, we can say, a backbone of every website on the internet. Without HTML knowledge, it would be impossible to create even the most basic web page. So in this course, we will cover the basic fundamental of HTML, including the structure of HTML document, basic tags and attributes, and how to create link and images. Then we will also cover some more advanced topics such as forms, tables, lists, frames, etc. And also we'll do practices on the given topics. Thank you.